From the heart of the tropical coast comes nature's most refreshing miracle. Hello friends, I am Coco the coconut water. Coconut water instantly hydrates your body faster than sugary drinks. It soothes digestion and reduces acidity.
Low in calories and fat-free. Perfect for weight management.
It strengthens your immune defense.
It helps flush out toxins and cleanse the body naturally.
It improves blood circulation and oxygen delivery throughout the body. It may help support healthy blood sugar levels when consumed in moderation. It helps reduce risk of kidney stones.
It is rich in natural electrolytes that balance body fluids.
Coconut water prevents muscle cramps after workouts.
Coconut water helps support liver function and may assist in detoxifying harmful substances.
It naturally cools your body during hot weather.
It helps prevent dehydration and may reduce nausea during pregnancy.
Green coconut water is nature's complete hydration and wellness drink. Pure, natural, powerful.
Drink coconut water daily. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Health Glow Secrets.